Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to get rid of McAfee pop-ups. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to disable your notifications. So just click on your Windows icon and then right click this one and then click on settings. Okay, now navigate to your notifications. So just click on notifications. That's right. And then at the bottom, you will see the apps that is turned on for notifications. If you see your McAfee in here, just toggle the switch off. Okay. So now the next thing that you should do is to open your web browser. Okay. And then click on your extension. Okay. That's right. And then if you see your McAfee in here, just toggle the switch off to disable it and then click on remove option. Okay, click on remove. That's right. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and then click on settings. Okay, and then navigate to your privacy and security and then scroll down until you see the site settings. So just click on it. And then here you can now see your notifications. Just click on that. And then at the bottom you can see the allowed to send notifications. You can see your McAfee. So just copy this link and then copy. Now click on the three dots and then click on remove. Now at the top, you can see the not allowed to send notifications. So just click on add and then paste here the link that you just copied. Okay. And then click on add. That's right. Now, if you really wanted to get rid of your McAfee application, then you can just uninstall it. Okay, so just navigate to your settings, just right click your Windows icon and then click on settings, and then click on your apps. Now click on the installed apps. Okay, that's right. And then use the search bar to search for your McAfee application. And then click on these three dots and then click on uninstall. Okay, and then click on this one as well and then uninstall it if you really wanted to get rid of your McAfee. Now, the next thing that you can do is to go to your services. Okay, just search for your services using your search bar and then look for your McAfee in here. So if you see a McAfee information in here, just click on it and then remove or disable the McAfee. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.